Hello everyone, this is Nicole from Altenew. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to stamp images together using the Build a Flower lavender stem set. It features 5 layers for the lavender and 3 layers for its stem and leaves, along with 6 sentiments. Make sure to refer to the layering guide on the back of your stamp packaging when you're stamping as well. Let's start with the stem portion first. This is going to be a guideline for us to match the lavender portion later on. So I'm going to stamp the solid image using bamboo ink, and then I'm going in the second image using olive ink, and we are going to match this right on top of the first image we stamped. Make sure to line up the tip of each leaves to get a perfect lining. I have a camera in front of me, so I'm going to be a little off for all of the layerings, but you can get the concept easily. The third layer I went in with moss. Now we're going to line these up with the lavender portion itself. So I'm going to show you how it looks like without inking up the solid image first. So I am going in with the bottom portion of the lavender. There's this little cutout on the stem set. I'm going to tilt it so you can see. There's this little tiny cutout that's supposed to fit the top of the stem image that we just stamped at perfectly. And that is going to be a one portion of your matching point moving forward. So I'm going to use shades of purple colors. So the first one, I'm going to use soft lilac, and we're going to match the bottom portion nicely and stamp so you can get the idea of how this image is stamped. Now we're going to go in with the second layer. This is lavender filled ink, and this sits right on top of the solid layer image that we just stamped, just a tad darker. Make sure to line up the shadow images that we just stamped with soft lilac. The third one is deep iris, and this is getting a little bit more detail, and they're supposed to go into the center portion of each petals that we stamped. I'm a little off due to the camera, but make sure to fit this in within those shadow lines. And then the last one is a midnight violet. There's also the fifth one, which is this center portion of each flower, and you're going to stamp those in jet black. And there you have the lavender stem set, perfectly stamped in all layers. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know by emailing us at support@altenew.com. Thank you so much for watching.